I've gotten a lot of comments about this trimmer over the last several months, and even people asking me if it still works. It's not looking too good, but we're gonna find out. I've been pulling all my equipment out, testing everything, seeing what's bad, what made it, what didn't. And this has been out here in the weather in this canopy thing. It's dealt with rain, mud. It's got some corrosion going on. Fuel was left in it. The fuel at least had some stabilizer. But I'm curious if it'll actually still fire up. Let's find out. Now I'm definitely gonna have to get me a new strap. That's nasty. I don't know if that could even be washed. So we're gonna take that off. I'm gonna work on getting me another one. So I'll be going without a strap. So some of the questions that I've had is, how heavy is this? It actually doesn't feel as heavy as they claim. Something was saying it was 37 pounds, but that doesn't feel 37 pounds, even with an attachment on it. I can't quite tell how heavy it is though, but it's definitely not 30 pounds, or 37. All right, let's see. Ooh, that got broken. So that's a bad start. The whole filter thing is busted. Might be able to still make this work. It looks like the housing is busted on this, and the filter thing was just hanging off. I definitely collected my equipment over the winter time. It's missing the tabs to hold it in at the bottom. So yeah, the filter is probably not going to work very well. Oh wait. Actually works. Oh, filter fell right out though, so it's not going to be filtered. Adjustable head. Looks like it's going to start sprinkling again. So I'm actually shocked and surprised that it is working. I wasn't sure if it was going to start. Normally I don't use this head, so let's get this out. And it's rusting and everything. I haven't taken care of this at all. So yeah, I'm very surprised that everything still works. It took a little bit to get it started. It's also working on old gas still. This gas is from last year. That definitely got beat up. That's gotten rusty. Ew. All right, let's get this on here and let's do some mulching. Now we're using this old Quiralingo mulching blade. I have a few newer ones I need to actually get out and try. I may go up and get that stuff here pretty soon. Yeah, it kind of looks like this whole thing, this whole housing is kind of messed up, but I'm surprised that it actually started, it worked, and the condition that it is. Now, to answer some of the questions that I've been asked, would I get it again, or do I recommend it? Do I still like it? Does it still work? Well, yeah, it still works even after the neglect it went through without a filter and stuff on there. Definitely don't want to keep running it without a filter though. That's just going to make it worse. Now, I'm not sure, they're really cheap, so I'm not sure if it's really worth fixing it or just buying a whole new head for it, because yeah, like I said, these are actually pretty cheap and they work pretty well. I would actually recommend it. I didn't really use the hedge trimmer a lot. I used it a little bit on the blackberry vines, but the really thicker, or like the thick canes, it does struggle a little bit on that stuff, but it will chew through like all the other little things around, ferns and all that stuff that I have. But I prefer the mulcher blade. And if I was to buy this just for the trimmer itself, that is what I would go for, because that is what I like and what worked well. This also started to get a little heavy without having a strap for some support, just keeping it held up that whole time. So I will definitely need to get a new strap. Yeah, I mean, it's a decent unit. I'll look and see if I can get a replacement part for it. I don't know, I'll have to think about it. I've actually really started liking the battery operated stuff for various reasons. If you are interested in checking out one of the battery ones, I just did a Bosch cordless one that I really like, which is probably what I'm going to bring up and finish everything with. Maybe a little trimmer that I have with it. But overall, this works great. I do want to fix it before I use it more, or I would finish this stuff. I'll follow up if I fix it. I'll clean it up and everything too if I do end up fixing it. Because I do like having a gas one as well, just for like those really long sessions that I need to do. Anyway, thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.